Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about speaking English with confidence. Have you ever felt your heart beating fast before you speak? Have you ever felt your mind suddenly become empty? You know the words, but when the moment comes, you cannot speak. You feel pressure, you feel fear, and then you start thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if I am not good enough? You are not alone. Many English learners feel this every day. Here is something important. The problem is not your English. The real problem is your confidence. And confidence is something you can build. Not tomorrow. Not someday. You can start today. Step by step. In this video, you will discover a different way to see speaking. A way that feels calm, simple, and real. We are not going to chase perfection. We are going to build courage. Because the truth is simple. Confidence grows when you speak, not before you speak. And once you understand this, everything begins to change. Let us begin. Now let us go a little deeper into this idea. Why does speaking feel so difficult for many people? At first, it looks like a language problem. You think you need more vocabulary. You think you need perfect grammar. You think you need more practice. Yes, these things help, but they are not the main reason. The real reason is inside your mind. It is fear and self-doubt. When you try to speak, your brain tries to protect you. It says, stay safe, do not take risks, so you become quiet. You avoid speaking. And slowly, something happens. You start to believe a false idea. I cannot speak English well. I am not confident, but this is not the truth. This is just a habit of thinking. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but the child does not stop. Why? Because there is no fear of judgment. There is no voice saying, you are not good enough. There is only action. Now compare this to you. You want to speak, but you stop yourself before you even try. So the real question is not, how can I speak perfect English? The real question is, how can I speak without fear? And that is exactly what you will learn here. Step by step. We will not rush. We will build your confidence slowly and naturally. You will learn how to think differently, how to speak more freely, and most importantly, how to trust yourself. Because once you trust yourself, speaking becomes easier. And when speaking becomes easier, confidence begins to grow. Now, let us move to the first idea. Rule 1. You must accept mistakes. This may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is the most important step. Most people try to avoid mistakes. They wait for the perfect sentence. They think, I will speak when I am ready, but that moment never comes. Here is the truth. You learn by making mistakes, not by avoiding them. Think about your daily life. When you learn something new, you fail first. You try. You fail. Then you try again. Slowly, you improve. With English, many people change this process. They want success without failure. And this creates pressure. And pressure creates silence. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are in a small conversation. Someone asks you a question. You understand it. You have an answer in your mind. But you do not speak. Why? Because you are afraid of making a mistake. So you stay quiet, and the moment passes. Now ask yourself something. Did you improve in that moment? No. You lost a chance to grow. But imagine a different choice. You speak. Your sentence is not perfect. Maybe the grammar is not correct. But you express your idea. You communicate. And something powerful happens. You feel a small win. A small win is important. It builds your confidence. Because confidence is not a big moment. It is many small moments. Every time you speak, you send a message to your brain. I can do this, and slowly this message becomes stronger. Stronger than fear. So from today, change your goal. Do not aim for perfect English. Aim for real communication. Use simple words. Use simple sentences. Focus on meaning, not perfection. Because people do not listen for perfect grammar. They listen for clear ideas. Now, let us go to the next idea. Rule 2. Slow down your speech. This may sound very simple, but it changes everything. You feel nervous, you speak faster. You rush your words. You skip sounds. You make more mistakes. And your brain becomes confused. It cannot keep up. So your confidence drops. And your fear increases. But there is a simple solution. Slow down. Give yourself time. Time to think. Time to speak. Time to breathe. Let us try something together. Take a slow breath. Now say a simple sentence. I am learning English. Say it slowly. Feel each word. This is how confident speakers talk. They are not fast. They are clear. They are calm. Speed does not create confidence. Clarity creates confidence. Now imagine a conversation again. Someone asks you a question. This time you do not rush. You pause for a moment. You think, and you speak slowly. Even if your sentence is simple, it sounds strong. Because you are in control, not your fear. Here is a key phrase. Slow is smooth and smooth is confident. Repeat this in your mind. Whenever you feel nervous, slow your voice, control your pace, and you will notice something interesting. People will understand you better. And when people understand you, your confidence grows naturally. So do not try to sound fast. Try to sound clear. Now we are ready for the next step. Rule 3. You must think in simple English. This is a hidden problem for many learners. They think in their native language first. Then they try to translate, word by word. This creates confusion, and it slows you down. While you are translating in your mind, the conversation continues without you. So you feel pressure, and you lose confidence. Here is the truth. Simple thinking creates smooth speaking. You do not need complex sentences. You need clear and direct ideas. Let me give you an example. You want to say something difficult. You think, I would like to express my opinion about this situation. This is correct, but it is complex. Now make it simple. I want to share my idea. Same meaning. Less stress. When your thoughts are simple, your speech becomes faster and easier. So from now on, train your mind to simplify. Use short sentences. Use common words. Say what you can say, not what sounds perfect. This is how real communication works. Even native speakers do this. They do not think in long, complex structures. They think in clear ideas. Now imagine a real situation. You are talking with someone. Instead of translating in your mind, you speak directly. Your sentence is simple, but it is natural, and something changes. You feel more relaxed because your brain is not overloaded. It is focused. So remember this key phrase. Simple thoughts create confident speech. Keep it in your mind. Use it every day. Now let us move forward. Rule 4. Practice speaking, not only studying. Many learners spend hours reading. They watch videos. They learn grammar rules. They memorize vocabulary. But they do not speak. And this is a big problem, because speaking is a skill, and skills need action. You cannot learn to swim by reading. You must enter the water. In the same way, you must speak to improve speaking. Let me show you a simple method. You do not need a partner. You can start alone. Right now, choose a simple topic. For example, your day. Now speak out loud. Describe what you did. Use simple sentences. Do not stop too much. If you make a mistake, keep going. Goal is flow, not perfection. You can also record your voice. Then listen to it. First, it may feel strange, even uncomfortable. But this is where growth happens. You begin to notice your patterns. You see your mistakes. You see your progress. Slowly, your speaking improves. Step by step. Now imagine you do this every day. Just 5 to 10 minutes. After 1 week, you feel a small change. After 1 month, you feel more comfortable. After 3 months, you speak with confidence because you practice the right way, not just studying. Here is a key phrase for you. Practice creates confidence. Repeat it and follow it. Now, we are moving to a deeper level. Rule 5. Change your relationship with fear. Most people try to remove fear. They want to feel ready before they speak. But that is not how growth works. Fear does not disappear first. Action comes first, and fear becomes smaller. Here is the truth. You do not need to feel confident to speak. You need to speak to become confident. This is a different way of thinking. Let me explain with a simple image. Imagine you are standing at the edge of a pool. You want to swim. The water feels cold. So you wait. You think, I will jump when I feel comfortable, but the comfort never comes. You stay outside the pool. Now imagine a different choice. You jump. At first, it feels uncomfortable, even shocking. But after a few moments, your body adjusts, and suddenly, you feel okay. This is exactly how speaking works. You must enter the experience. You must allow yourself to feel uncomfortable without stopping. When you speak with fear, you are training your brain. You are telling it, this is safe, and slowly, fear loses its power. So the next time you feel nervous, do not run away. Do not wait. Take action. Say one sentence, then another. Even if your voice is not perfect, even if your hands shake, because in that moment, you are growing. Here is a key phrase. Action reduces fear. Keep it close to you. Use it when you hesitate. Now let us go to the final idea. Rule 6. Build a daily speaking habit. Many people try for one day, then they stop. They feel motivated, then they lose energy, and they start again later. This cycle continues. Real change needs consistency. Small actions every day. You do not need hours. You need regular practice. 5 minutes is enough. If you do it daily, create a simple routine. Choose a time, maybe in the morning, or before you sleep. Speak about your day. Speak about your plans. Ask yourself questions. Answer them out loud. Keep it simple. Keep it real. Over time, something powerful happens. Speaking becomes natural, not something you fear. Your mind becomes faster. Your words come easier. And your confidence grows quietly, without pressure. This is how real transformation works. Slow and steady. Here is your final key phrase. Consistency builds confidence. Do not forget it. Live it every day. Now, let us bring everything together. Now let us take a moment to reflect. Think about everything you have learned today. You started with fear, with doubt, with the feeling that speaking is difficult, maybe even impossible. But now you see something different, a new path. You understand that mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. You understand that speaking slowly gives you power, not weakness. You understand that simple thoughts create clear speech, and clear speech builds confidence. You understand that practice is not optional. It is necessary. And most importantly, you understand that action comes before confidence. These ideas are simple, but they are powerful. If you follow them, your speaking will change. Not in one day, but step by step. And one day, something will happen. You will speak without fear. You will express your ideas clearly. You will feel comfortable. And you will realize something important. You were always capable. You just needed the right approach and the courage to start. So from today, make a small promise to yourself. Speak a little every day. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Create your own moment. Right now. Because your voice matters. Your ideas matter. And the world needs to hear you. Now, if this message helped you, let us take one more small step together. Like this video, so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful English lessons. Share this video with someone who needs confidence today. And remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to begin.